What is up, everybody? It's your boy Preston, and today we have some insane news from Clash Royale. Supercell just dropped the brand new, super limited Brainrot 67 Wizard Emote. This emote is a piece of internet history, a meme come to life, and it's free. Imagine your favorite wizard hitting a viral dance move, holding glowing numbers 6 and 7. His face screams meme energy, perfect for showing your opponent you're in on the joke. This emote is a tribute from Supercell to the Clash Royale community. It connects to a viral trend from 2025, seen all over TikTok and Instagram. Having this emote shows you're up to date with internet culture. It's more than a cosmetic item. It's a badge of honor for true fans. Supercell listened to the players and joined in on the fun. It's a must-have for any serious Clash Royale player. To understand why this emote is legendary, we need to talk about its origins. It started with a catchy drill rap song, Doot Doot 6-7, by Skrilla, which blew up online. The 6-7 chant became a viral sound on TikTok, especially linked to basketball. NBA player LaMelo Ball, standing 6 feet 7 inches, became part of the meme. High school player Talon TK Kinney and Maverick Trevelyan, the 67 kid, created a signature hand gesture. This simple move became a symbol of Brainrot culture, a global phenomenon. The phrase 6-7 became internet language for something cool or funny. This is the world the new Wizard Emote was born into, linking it to a massive cultural moment. How did a basketball meme end up in Clash Royale? It was all because of you, the players. Someone noticed the Disco Wizard emote resembled the 6-7 hand gesture. Players started spamming the Disco Wizard emote, making it the unofficial 6-7 emote. Supercell saw the community's creativity and the viral connection. When Clash Royale's Instagram hit 6.7 million followers, it was a sign. Supercell made the meme official, creating the Brainrot 67 Wizard emote. They redesigned the Disco Wizard, adding glowing 6 and 7 numbers. The wizard's new expression matched the meme's wild energy. It was Supercell's way of saying, "We see you, we hear you, and we love your creativity." That's how a viral meme became part of the game. Let's get down to business. You need this emote, and here's how to get it. It's completely free. Use the official link shared by trusted Clash Royale creators. For phone users, find the link, tap it, and open it in Clash Royale. A pop-up will show the Brainrot 67 Wizard emote. Tap Claim Reward, and it's yours. PC players, click the link to open a web page with a QR code. Scan the QR code with your phone's camera, tap the link, and follow the same steps. Make sure you're logged into the correct Supercell ID on your phone. It's a quick process, and it works perfectly. Don't miss out on adding this emote to your collection. Follow these steps and claim your emote now. Listen carefully, this is important. The Brainrot 67 Wizard emote is limited time only. It's a special celebration, and these events don't last long. We don't have an official end date, so act fast. Once it's gone for good, or it might cost money later. Don't be the one who misses out while others enjoy the emote. Claim it now. It only takes 30 seconds. Use it in matches to show you're in on the fun. It's a great way to connect with other players. This emote celebrates a huge internet meme and the Clash Royale community. Thanks for tuning in, Fireballs, and I'll see you in the arena. Preston out.